Hello everyone, N10110 here with another silver robot dog. This one just came in today. It's a little wind-up. Oddly enough, has some weird... I guess the original plastic under it is red, and it was just painted silver over. Very uncommon thing to see, because usually these are either gray plastic underneath, or sometimes white, or at least black, or like beige colored plastic underneath. So, never seen one where it's silver painted over red, but this is how I got it. So I'm assuming that's how it's always been. This was just a wind-up. It's very similar looking to the receiver dog made by, I believe it's Tomy. So, was it Tomy? I think it was Tomy, yeah. I mean, has a lot of the same detail to it. Oh, this one's ears get stuck, but looks very, very similar in terms of design. The paws are more jointed on receiver dog compared to this one, but I mean, I'm assuming this one could have been made by Tomy, but there's some quality differences, so this one might be generic. Either way, let's go ahead and show this little guy. I absolutely suck at winding up wind-up toys, apparently.
You are consistent.
Maybe this will work. But yeah, that's little silver robot dog wind-up toy. Don't know the name of this one. I've seen these released generically, and there's a bunch of this particular one, so don't know exactly what this one's name is, but eventually I will know, and eventually I'll update the video title. But for now, thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye.